I just made blue sushi with this fish. This is a rock greenling, the most beautiful fish in British Columbia. These fish are a stunning red color, and I'm not even joking, the inside meat is neon blue because of their diets. They live in seagrass close to crashing shore waves, and I caught one hiding in this patch. I cured the fillets in salt and vinegar, then sliced off pieces for nigiri sushi. With the skin, I baked them with salt and olive oil, making some crispy fish skin chips. A perfect sushi dinner set, complete with blue Gatorade. Surprisingly, an 8.5 out of 10. Follow for more.